Improving our cognitive skills can make everyday life easier. This video explains how. Have you come to dread meetings? Meetings are occasions in which a lot of information is given in a short amount of time and by a large number of participants. You must be able to remain attentive and focus on a conversation in order to follow a meeting. It is important not to be distracted by your smartphone, for example. Our processing speed is called upon to follow the conversation and quickly read the information presented. Working memory and verbal memory are also used when we talk to each other. Finally, executive functions and, in particular, mental agility let you change the topic of conversation easily. To sum up, meetings are very demanding on a cognitive level, so do not hesitate to take notes in order to retain as much information as possible, or even ask to repeat something if you did not hear or understand what was said. Repeating and reformulating information allows it to sink in more easily. You are now ready for your next meeting.